Good morning, guys. Man, so I've been having that pain in my arm since Boxing Day. Probably pulled a muscle or something, and the medication them now work. Like, couldn't sleep last night. I was up like all night, tossing and turning. So we're going back over to the hospital. Well, over to the doctor. Obviously gonna see if I can get like a stronger dose of the medication or something, or probably an injection. Which I know the injection, if you know me, it come like, I don't know, brother, injection on me enough for an at all, but I have to get something done because I now sleep at night. Every turn I wake up, the pain is just crazy. So planning to vlog this, starting to do some more vlogs and give you a run through. So we're gonna head over to the doctor in a minute. Just pray for me right now, okay? Okay, guys, so we're in the car. We're going to the doctor. Man, I'm in so much pain. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Big up on the pop star them. Pop stars, big up on yourself. Make sure you pray for me. And for our new subscribers, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so. I'll tell you over this, so I don't have to drive in the morning. Yeah.
Good morning, guys. Taking the big baby back to the doctor.
Yeah, no, man. Should I call man big baby? A crazy pain. Guys, when Taya snore down the house at night time, I don't know if that wake me up or the pain wake me up.
No. You better complain with my snoring. You don't have to tell everybody I'm a snore.
Snoring real. For real. But the pain now getting better, guys. Like, it's been going on since Boxing Day, and the doctor them say, it's probably, or they might make it sound like me I exaggerate the pain. They might say it's about a 2 to 3 based on the exercises that I'm able to do. But it's crazy because when I'm on the pain medicine, I can sleep for a couple of hours, but as soon as the pain medication wear off, it's like it wake me up in the middle of the night, and I'm waking up in some severe pain. So call back the doctor and them said they might have to give me an injection or something. And as I said, an injection thing now work out, Rasta. You get me? So
Full of big chat, but when I come on to doctor and injection and I turn big baby, man. But I'll be there, honey. Don't worry, I'll be there. You can squeeze my hand, you can scream. I'll be there. Don't worry.
I wonder if she can take the injection for me.
I got you. Oh no, cause I'm afraid of injection. Make it injection, I'm not take injection.
Oh, you give injection for your job. You have a clear up, I want them feel like you're giving
on
injection.
the job I give injection. I don't take injection.
Like she give me the injection, boy. But guys, no matter laugh for me next clip when you see me a ball in a cars.
You know what? I'm gonna see if I can video it.
You got video it?
Yes, when you get injection.
No man, you can't video it, man. You want the people them come laugh over me. Flap me show.
Yeah, I think what I want them see I cry still, so probably not.
Yeah, no.
But pray for him, people. Pray for him. We need all the prayers because this has been going on for too long. It's about a month now, right?
Oh man, December 26th.
Oh, okay. Well, it's been a few weeks.
Yeah. But guys, we're heading into the doctor's office now. I don't know if we can video. If we can, I'll turn it back on. If not, you'll see me afterwards, alright? Big up on yourself. Trending Boss family, big up on yourself, guys. Check them out.
Big up Trending.
Our first official pop stars. Trending Boss family. Lovely
Yes.
family doing them thing on the YouTube platform as well.
Thank you guys so much.
So big up on yourself.
Alright guys, so we are here. So I'm gonna get Poppy. See him over there. My big baby. Ready, babes? So why you up now? What is my guys? Poppy is hopping. Wanna stop it? But think that your shoulder you're on at you.
I forget the doctor them was anything serious.
So with two
Oh,
extra. Oh right, you know. I left my mask. I'm going to the place, guys, without the mask. Oh my god. I can't bother with this mask thing, man. Sure. Can you reach one for me, babe? Thank you. Alright guys, so we're waiting to go inside the door. Poppy's a little nervous.
Little nervous or big nervous? You're fine.
From a 1 to a 10, with 10 being the worst, how would you rank it?
Yeah, it's close to 10.
Close to a 10?
Yeah. I'm not sleeping if that's...
Okay, and the painkillers that she just prescribed, those didn't help much?
No, not much at all. It's like, it's off for like 2 hours, but it comes back in a second and it wakes me up as soon as the pain hits. Okay guys, I'm waiting to see the doctor right now. I'm gonna tell Mr. The regular doctor whom I usually see is not even here, so.
You can take off the mask because you're in here.
You can take off the mask in here?
Yeah.
And I'll take off the mask in another
Because
doctor
there's
office.
nobody in here.
Yeah, but suppose somebody did in here before.
You can take off the mask.
No, so. And I'll take off the mask. Only can take off the mask. And I'll take off my mask.
No, because nobody's not in here right now.
Right now, them not in here, but suppose them in here and gone. And them leave something in here. Guys, me not take off my mask. One pain is enough right now. Straight. But me they are fret, guys. You see me? When you come on to injection and pill and them thing there.
Yeah, but the PO meds not helping, so you definitely need you need the injection. I think it will help. It's a steroid injection, guys. So that will definitely help with the inflammation that he has in his arm and his shoulder. So, ugh. But I think he's probably gonna numb it. I think they're probably gonna numb it before. I'm assuming.
You can tell them to numb it?
You can ask and see.
Yeah.
Know the spot before they do it. I don't know. I never had one before.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, guys, as I said, keep on praying. And I'll see you guys in a minute, okay?
So, babes. So, if them say them can't numb it.
You can't numb it?
Mm-hmm. They know.
I just work with it still, guys. Why them can't numb it?
I don't know. I just suppose them say them can't numb it. Them have to just...
You're just trying to scare me right now.
No, I'm not trying to scare you. I'm just saying. Are you gonna be okay? You know you pass out in upon me, no? Are you act brave because you know so me I film you?
I'm trying to breathe in my mind. It's like kill me right now. I just need to get some relief from this stuff so I can just go back to do my normal thing in my daytime, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm ready for you to get back to your normalcy, cause trust me. Pull down your shirt at the front, babes. Just buff up the song. The zipper. Leave the zipper, there's something cock up like a one. No, look on the shirt, no, babes. Give it like this, so yeah, and just. Now make it right, yeah, this, so. It just buff up. Boy, babes, I don't know, I don't want to be in your position right now. I don't like needle, you know. Like I said before, make an injection, but I don't like needle at all.
You can't talk about something else?
No man come and feel it for you, and not even me. But I like how you act brave still, I like that. Because I just say I'm not coming about once they go mention the injection, I say no sir, I have to come in case anything. You nervous?
Yeah, I'm nervous now with the whole car. I don't know what a big deal.
Wow. I think though sometimes it can take long for coming at the office, see, man. Guys, I don't like a doctor office, you know. Because you have an appointment for 10 o'clock and you check in at the room and all 10:30, 10:45, they're not coming at that. Yo, me not like that, you know. Feel like you may have an appointment for 10 o'clock. Yes, I'm have to check your vitals and stuff, but Like, no half an hour, nothing. Ain't nobody got time to be sitting in these offices so long. But anyways, pray for Poppy, guys. All me feel nervous. I'm not lying. I feel nervous. Because Poppy not like doctor. When him hear needles, and that's typical men. I always wonder though, on act so tough, but when I come on to one little needle and I always freak out. Foot start shaking now, and nervousness that babes. Lord Jesus. Well guys, me just a mess with him still. Alright, the doctor is in here.
Okay guys, that's where they went in.
Guys, he survived it. There was like about
10 million doctors in here.
There was like the doctor, there was like 3 nurses in here. Guys, but
everybody and their mama.
He was being a champ, and he was squeezing the daylight out of this hand. But he did okay. He did okay. We thought he was gonna pass out. He closed his eyes for the entire time, and so when the doctor said, "You can open your eyes now," you would think he was about to pass out, but he did fine. I'm so proud of him. I'm so proud of you, babes.
So they're never gonna give him no more eyes to go down.
I guess he's thinking that this should help.
Oh.
So if anything, I can always, message him and stuff if we're still having pain. But hopefully, he said this should help with this steroid shot that he got in his shoulder. So I guess we'll just go home and reassess it. We're just staying in here for another 5 minutes, and then we'll be heading out.
Yeah, thanks for the prayers, guys.
All right, guys. So you guys have a wonderful day, and remember to subscribe. All right, tell a friend. Share the video, and continue to show us love. All right.
Definitely. And make sure to join the membership, guys. Join the membership. We're doing a lot more vlogs.
$4.99, right? For the membership.
A lot more vlogs, and just bringing more content to you guys. Okay. Yeah. Big up on yourself, and thanks for sticking it out with me. Okay.
All right, guys.
All right, peace. All right, guys. So we're on our way home now. The doctor did say, boy, 5 seconds for the injection, 5 seconds after I'm going to feel better, but
you feel a little bit stressed.
It feels slightly better, you know what I mean? But just...
Can you tell me why I still have on my mask in the car?
In a country come to town. Guys, I don't like them place there, you know.
Baby, you don't want something to eat though? You want Zaxby's pizza though?
We can probably get like one of the taco stuff. Guys, when the man them coming at what? 3 nurse and the doctor. I said, wait, how go on, sir?
Plus me.
And plus honey over there. I said, no man, the thing like it more drastic than it really is, isn't me? And the man start to rub one mount or something for me hand if it numb it. Then the man push all that stick in me something.
The stick?
Yeah, like him have a stick I try identify the
the location.
Yeah, the location. But the man press the stick in my hand. I said, no, sir.
You said I put out for the doctor thing.
No doctor thing was that.
Yeah, but you just give it some time though, babes.
Yeah, give it some time,
you know. And you still have pain medicine at home, and you have the muscle relaxers, so just keep on utilizing those, and then hopefully with a combination of this now, you know?
Yeah.
You get a little relief.
Straight. But guys, I really appreciate you sticking it out with me. As I said, we're getting into more vlogs and stuff, and I hope you enjoy it, you know. Really do. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And for our returning pop stars, big up on yourself. You don't know. I love on us straight. Peace.